So doing this, it's September 15th, 2015, doing this video at about 2:45. I'm calling it quits for the day. Frustrating day, but it happens, when you're a diehard short seller and, whoops, hold on, and the SPY is just going crazy. So that, the market's going to go up. That happens. It's part of what markets do. But what's frustrating for me is I had a really nice profit, should have walked away, had plans to walk away, got greedy, and then turned it into a red day. Now it was a red day by a couple $100. So it's like big deal, but it was dumb to let these trades grind me back. So I was all bragging, all happy about how I traded LULU here. It went red. I entered. I added right where I wanted to. Covered into pulls. Should have, like usual, let it ride a little bit. But, I was really happy with this trade. It's like 9:40. I should have walked away. Now, you see these late trades. I'll come back to those because the only reason I made those late trades is because of Baba. So, this is the problem with, reading all the stuff about this lockup expiration and potential fraud and blah, blah, blah. You start believing these stories and you start thinking it's a slam dunk, and none of that matters except price, okay? I shorted a starter into this spike, which was my plan. So I was okay with this, and I was even okay with this squeeze because I wanted to short into spikes. So I shorted here after it spiked hard in the morning, added after it put in topping, and then that's where I got done. Okay, I should have just stuck with that. Once it pulled back, I should have covered right here. Well, did I cover? No, I added. So then, it bangs around 64, 64, 64 and would never crack. Well, if it's not going to crack, what's it going to do? It's going to go up. So it goes up, I covered. Good news is, it's actually kind of interesting to see this live. This fucker's going batshit right now. So, I hate to do that, but it's like, I guess I did the right thing, and, well, I did the right thing covering, but, it's like, you lose on trades. I guess it happens, so I'm not going to sit here and dwell on it. But I tried to get back even with LULU because of this spike. And, I kind of like this entry. But then SPY is going crazy. I covered into a spike. And now it looks like it's ready to crack. I got into revenge trading and wanting to go back green because I was green this morning. So, the good news is, I let this thing squeeze me for 10 or 12 cents. It's not a big deal. I covered into a spike. Now it looks like it'll fade, but my mentality is not quite right today. So, lesson learned is, and I know this, I don't need to tell myself this, but when you got that nice quick profit, you just walk away. I've got plenty of things to do. I've got a book I'm trying to write. I've got, projects around the house. I got plenty of things to keep me busy. And if you get, what did I get? 50, 60, 70 cents a share in minutes, that, you just got to walk away. So it is what it is. I'll be back again tomorrow. You're going to have losing days. And I would love to have losing days like this any day of the week where it's a couple $100 and I'm not, punching myself in the face in rage and can't sleep tonight because of fuck-ups, couple $100 is part of trading. So, it is what it is. Not how I wanted to be, but trading's trading.